So we are today in Maine. It is Edgewater House, and Roger Normand is here today.
Roger Normand.
Roger Normand.
En français. Oui, je parle français.
So we received the window today. So Roger, how was your experience today?
It was interesting, and it's so as you look at the house, it's it's a pleasant surprise and a challenge. We thought that we'd have to wait for the windows, but we've had some delays in construction. That should be no big surprise. But the windows are here sooner than what we actually need them. So what we had to do is unload the transport vehicle and put them into a storage container. With one exception, 3 of the units are so large that they won't fit into the storage container, and more importantly, they're so big that we had to make provisions to offload them at a moving and storage place that has a dock that can easily remove those windows, because you had to tilt them, and they are just so heavy that we just weren't prepared over here to handle them safely. So they're being moved off. In terms of the windows, I'm just I bought these windows without actually seeing them. We had a change in windows at the last minute, so I had not physically looked at these windows. I'm very pleased at looking at a cross sample of the windows. They're certainly beefy, and I can understand how they are Passive House certified windows, because they have a very nicely designed thermal break in both the sash and the frame. And Benoit has showed us the 4 gaskets and the 5-point locking mechanism that secures the window. And frankly, there's one important security feature on the window that should go on your promotional material, Benoit, and that is these windows are so beefy that there is no concern about anybody stealing them, because they're so heavy you can't lift them just one person anyway. So it has
This is right.
a big group of people to move these windows. They are really, really heavy windows. We've had, because we hadn't seen them, we're going to have to, we'll have to do some adjustments in how they're installed. And so with Benoit's help, we were here for about an hour figuring out how we are going to physically, what's the detailing of how the siding, and we have a stone cap right below the window, how we're going to make that work. So we figured that out, and so we're looking forward to actually getting these installed and seeing how they work inside the house.
Okay, thank you so much. So it was Saco, Maine, October 9th. Very nice Edgewater house with Bieber windows. Thank you, Roger.